Morning, lovely people. I am Dr. Amrita. I am MBBS MD, life coach, and healer. So, today I am bringing you a new concept which will help you to get out of your irritation. We, as human beings, we get irritated by little things, or it may be big thing for you, like you get irritated by some activity of your kids, some activity of your spouse, और हम सब हमेशा कंप्लेन करते हैं कि दे आर डूइंग लाइक दैट, हस्बैंड टॉवल छोड़ देते हैं, बच्चे कुछ और कर रहे हैं. लाइक स्पेशली आई गेट इरिटेटेड व्हेन आई सॉ माय किड्स सीइंग मोबाइल व्हेन आई रिटर्न फ्रॉम हॉस्पिटल. सो that is the trigger point for me, that used to irritate me a lot. So what I did, I will tell you exactly to come out of that. So make a list of things which really irritates you in a day about some of your love, like your colleague, your boss, or something like that. Make a list of all of the things, and now take a pledge that you will not notice knowingly those things for at least 15 to 30 days. Start with 15 days and then move on to the 30 days. So अगर टॉवल किसी ने बेड पे छोड़ा है, आप उधर ध्यान नहीं दोगे, आप नहीं बोलोगे कुछ भी, या तो आप उसको रहने दो. आप अगर उसको देख के ही आपको इरिटेशन हो रहा है, और इधर यू जस्ट सिंपली पुट, बिकॉज अगर आप उसको टोकते हो, you say something, then he will say something, it will at least take 5-10 minutes. It will drain your energy, it will spoil mood of both. So simply picking up is only 5 seconds or 10 seconds. So either you choose to do it or you just ignore it. We will be conditioned to ignore the things, and then very politely you can say, like, previously I used to see my kids, I used to get very irritated, I used to scream at them and say, why you are doing that. But now I wait for some time, and then I will ask, okay, कितनी देर से आप देख रहे हो, क्या देख रहे हो, कब बंद करना है. So I will take 15-20 minutes or 10 minutes to come out of that irritation zone, or simply I will walk into my room, ignoring the fact that watching the TV or the mobile, and then slowly after 10 minutes I'll come out and tell them. So that is the thing which I am sharing from my experience. So make list of all the 30 things or 10 things or only 5 things, 2 things, 1 thing, whatever. Start from little, because 30 will be more overwhelming for you. So start from 5. So 5 things which really irritates you in house or an office, anything. So and you will be conditioned. आप जानबूझ के आप कंडीशनिंग करोगे, आप जानबूझ के उन चीज़ों से आपको इरिटेशन हो रही है, बट यू इग्नोर दैट एंड डाइवर्ट योर माइंड टू समथिंग एल्स, एंड देन सी द मैजिक आफ्टर 15 days. You will not be judging others, and you will be very happy, and that will save lot of your energy so that you can focus into other things. So that is my tip. And if you want to join my free healing classes and life coaching classes and get personalized healing or personalized solution for your any of the problem, like if you are feeling some emotion and not able to share with someone, then I am here to help. You can share with me and I will give you the personalized solution. Thank you so much.